So, what kinds of problems will you encounter in your business life? Of course, this largely depends on your specific job. What is your role? However, if you work in the intralogistics industry, chances are that at some point you will deal with the following questions and challenges. I've deliberately phrased them in a vague and imprecise manner, because that's how people will often present their problems to you. I saw this system in a YouTube video. Would something like this work for us? The customer wants us to guarantee that our pickers will always achieve 600 picks per hour at the goods-to-person stations and wants this in the contract. That's reasonable, right? This customer is critical for us, but we're competing against 5 other bidders for the project. How can we win? These are just a small selection of the questions and challenges you may encounter, each of which we could discuss for hours. None of them are trivial, no matter how simple they may seem. And yet, people will often expect simple answers to their seemingly simple questions. In this course, you will gain ideas and tools to help you tackle these kinds of problems. We will discuss these topics, along with any other questions you may have, during our live sessions or on our discussion board on our e-learning page. One important concept to understand is that the problems companies think they have are often not their real problems. The confusion arises because many companies focus on symptoms rather than identifying the underlying issues. Additionally, providers of automated systems often have little incentive to help customers uncover their actual problems, because their goal is to sell expensive automation solutions. As the saying goes, never ask a barber if you need a haircut. One of the most valuable contributions you can make in this industry is helping companies see the root cause of their challenges. This is not easy, and in many cases, logistical problems originate outside the logistics department. Remember our discussion in the ISCS course about conflicting objectives and why logistics experts often don't have many friends outside their department? Moreover, it's easy to be distracted by shiny objects, robots, AGVs, ASRS, especially when everyone is talking about cutting-edge technology as the future. A critical skill for a logistics engineer is understanding when technology truly solves a problem and when it merely masks the symptoms of deeper issues.